Healing white light. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable. Separate your hands and put your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes. Recline back comfortably in your chair and become aware of the sensations in your body. Adjust your position to make sure you are sitting completely at ease. I would like you to focus all your attention on an area in the middle of your forehead so that your whole concentration becomes completely focused on a point in this area. And I would like you to imagine this point as a tiny white ball of light, now hovering just in front of your forehead, just floating in mid-air right in front of your forehead. And this tiny white ball of light is in every way the size and appearance of a tiny, distant star, a shimmering, glowing star, shining brightly in the night sky, radiating energy and light. And you may very soon feel a slight tingling sensation or feel a warm, comforting glow as you become aware of the radiant vibrations coming from this tiny white ball of light that shines ever more brightly as it hovers just in front of your forehead. I would like you to see this tiny white ball of light slowly begin to float upwards. Just gently lift up into the air, higher and higher, until it reaches a point about a foot above your forehead. And as it hovers there, just above your head, I want you to see it begin to grow in size. And as it begins to expand, shining more and more brightly, you become aware of the radiant quality of this illustrious object. See the purity of its colour, like the pure white of freshly fallen snow. Feel its radiant warmth, like a gentle heat from an open fire. Maybe even hear its faint vibrations as it grows larger and larger, giving off a more brilliant light all the time. And as it grows to the size of a large ball, you instinctively become aware of its healing qualities, sensing that its radiant energy can heal disease, quell any discomfort, revitalize and energize anything it touches. And as it hovers there, just above your head, glowing even more brightly, you feel yourself drawn to this healing energy. And you sense its purity and its inherent goodness, knowing that its healing qualities have no limitations and know no boundaries when it comes to seeking out and destroying any disease or discomfort. And you will want to immerse yourself in this radiant energy, to bask in its purity, knowing that you can only benefit from its wonderful healing properties. As you think of this, the ball slowly begins to open, showering you with its pure healing white light energy. Energy that will revitalize you and balance you. Energy that will cleanse you and heal every part of you. And as the free-flowing stream of energy begins its downpour, I want you to feel this stream of healing energy freeing slowly down into every part of your body, down through the top of your head, clearing out any negative thoughts or emotions and installing new feelings of well-being and balance as it goes, down your neck and shoulders, relieving any tension or stress there, and all the way back all the way down your back, entering every muscle, fibre and nerve in your spine, clearing away any toxins that may have gathered there. And as this fountain stream of pure healing light continues cascading down, pouring into every last cell in your whole body, cleansing and revitalizing you, healing and rejuvenating you, you may begin to feel more and more uplifted, more and more alive than you have felt for a long while. As feelings of health and well-being begin to resonate through your entire system. As the constant stream of energy continues to pour into your body, just see this pure healing light free flowing into every organ in your chest and stomach, cleansing every artery and vein, purifying the air in your lungs, strengthening every muscle and bone as it continues its free flow down into your lower body, into your legs, and all the way down to the tips of your toes, clearing any wastes or debris on the way. And at this point, you may wish to concentrate the flow of energy on a certain part of your body, a part that maybe needs a lot of healing. And I will leave you for a short time so that you can direct the flow of energy to where you need it the most. As you continue to allow this pure healing white light energy, this free-flowing radiant white light to permeate every part of you, clearing any blockages, cleansing and purifying every part of you. And I want you to imagine that the ball above your head has now grown even larger in size, to about 3 feet in width, so that its endless downpour of healing energy has now completely enveloped your entire body, so that you are now immersed from the top of your head to the tip of your toes in this radiant, healing, white light energy, completely bathed in this pure source of radiant energy that continues its free flow in and around your body, bringing you wonderful feelings of health and vitality, and the knowledge that at any time you can visualize this white light energy entering your body and healing every part of yourself. You will continually encourage feelings of health and well-being in your mind, body, and spirit. As the healing process is completed, I want you to see the mass of energy above your head shrink to the size of a large ball again, and the downpour of energy begin to slow down, slower and slower and slower, until it finally comes to a stop, as the large ball above your head gently closes, leaving you radiating with feelings of health and vitality, and a feeling of well-being. And at this point you will notice how much better you feel, both physically and mentally, as well as a feeling of being emotionally uplifted. And as this wonderful healing light process comes to its conclusion, I want you to imagine the large ball still floating above your head, slowly beginning to shrink in size, smaller and smaller, back to the size of a distant star. Then let it begin to descend, gently flowing down, back to the area just in front of your forehead, where it becomes absorbed back into your consciousness, and you will become more aware and aware of how uplifted and revitalized you feel. As your whole system, your mind and body has been purified and cleansed in this wonderful holistic healing process that you can continue as and when you need to. Now I'm going to count down from 3 to 1. On 3, just become aware of your environment. 2, open your eyes. And 3, wide awake and have big stretch.